Hello everyone. Welcome. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of the generative AI. In that, we will make the chatbot. These smart chatbots are transforming how business and people interact. To understand how they work and how you can build one too. So, generative AI chatbots are a new generation of smart bots. They don't just follow the script, they actually generate the new content in real time. That means they can have new natural dynamic conversation with the users instead of just giving the fixed answer. Take an example like ChatGPT. When you ask it a question, it creates the unique answer just like a human would. So let's break down what makes this bot so powerful. Generative AI means it can create new response. They go beyond rules based system so they can adapt and learn. They use advanced NLP means natural language process to understand and talk like human. And finally, they used anywhere for custom support to healthcare. So now let's look at tech behind this chatbot. LLMs or a large language model like GPT-4 are brain of these bots. Machine learning, it helps to learn and get better over time. NLU, natural language understanding, it helps ChatGPT to know what the user really means, and all of the work together to create smart, contextual, and human-like response. So, want to build your own chatbot? Here, how to start to get started. So, first choose the model like ChatGPT, Cloud, or Mistral. Then integrate it with your website or app using a API. Then make sure keep data source and follow best privacy practice. And then think ahead. Build a scalable so your chatbot can grow with your user. Training your chatbot is a key to making it accurate and helpful. Start by cleaning your data, remove errors and irrelevant information. Use different learning techniques like supervised learning, master prompt engineering. Basically, in that how you can ask the AI to respond. And always think ethics, avoid bias and ensure fairness. That's the quick overview of the generative AI. Let's make the let's we start with the practical session. So first we head over GitHub and create new repository. I'm naming it as CodeMate AI chatbot. Make it public. Then add file, create new file. In that, name this file as main-py. And let's paste this code. I will share the link with you, then you can get this code. In that, the main part is like first import these libraries, and then we have to load the environment.env file that we will create, and Groq API keys. So Groq API keys is this is the Groq cloud platform. In that we have to create the API keys. So just go with the console.groq.com. In that, go to the API keys and create new API. So you can just name whatever you want. So suppose test, submit it, then you will find your new API keys. So just copy it, done, and just so first just commit the main.py file, and again create new file, that is .env. In that you just have to create, add Groq API key is equal to your API key which you have copied from the Groq. So just use it, then commit changes, commit. Okay. So next step is make again the new file which we have to name as requirement dot txt. So these are some required files like Streamlit, Groq, and python.env file. So just commit the requirement.txt file also. Okay. Then go back to the our codemate.file. In that we have to go in this place. So just click on code, go to the code space, local, and code space. In that we have to select the code space, create new code space. One second. Okay, when we come to the code space, we get the all our files like main dot requirement and dot env file. Wait to um, terminal. Wait to detect the Python, and for that we will learn what we have included in the code. So first we have imported all the libraries, the .env file, and also the API keys from the which we have got from the Groq API. In that we the main part is role which we given to the system. So in that we have responses like, so role for the system is you are the AI assistant designed to answer the programming related questions. You provided guidance on coding, debugging, and best practice for developer, tester, and coder. So we are given the content like what the role have to the AI. So whichever the code, whichever the question will ask by the user, that the AI. So in that we have used. So this part you can change by yourself, and you can make the changes and um, with the help of this, you can create the direct part. So in that, we have to just go to the terminal and paste, just type pip install, just type pip install dash r required.txt. Then your all required file will be downloaded in the terminal. Then just type python dash m, then streamlit run main.py. Then you can directly go with this, open with the browser, or you can go in the port. In this, you can get the port, just visible, change it to public visibility, and then go here, open with the browser. Then you will be directly going to your application. So this is all the about our application which we have coded. Then just type hi, then AI will be answer with this: hello, I'm happy to help with any programming questions related with the concerns. Or then let's just ask him what is array. Array is a term in the programming, so let's ask him. Then AI will be generate the answer for this. Then in the programming, array is a data stores the collection of the element and all that things. He explained very well what is array. So likewise, we can create this application, or we can say this chatbot by yourself. Just if we created this one, then we have to deploy, or we have to show to the client. On this point, we have to just go to the share streamlit.io. In that, you have to create your account, then create your first app. So when we have the account, you can get this page. Then just click on the create app. Then you have to connect with the GitHub. So just connect with your GitHub. So now we have to click deploy a public app from GitHub. So click on your application name which you have take to your GitHub repo. So just click on that branch main streamlit main.py, and then deploy your application. To create the app, so you can get this code, like your whole app will be shown here and it work perfectly. Then you can share this application to your customer, or you can share with your company that you have designed something, the chatbot like this. So that's it for today. You have just build your own AI chatbot using Groq and Streamlit. Hope you find this tutorial helpful. So, until the next time, you keep